On today's episode of the Social Plug Fijian Wildlife, we have a look at the Giant Fijian Long-horn Beetle. The Giant Fijian Long-horn Beetle is the world's second largest beetle and is native to the island of Viti in Fiji. It is one of the largest living insect species in the world, with specimens averaging 15 centimeters in length, excluding the legs, antennae or jaws. Found in trees and forest areas in southeast Viti Vanuatu, Savu and Taveuni, the Fiji longhorn beetle belongs to the family Cerambycidae, which are wood borers and feed on plants. The dull brownish color of the longhorn beetle allows it to camouflage itself on the bark of trees, and they usually require a host tree in which to live and deposit their eggs. These beetles have powerful jaws and should be handled with care. When threatened, they produce a loud and fearsome hissing noise. Like other beetles, the giant longhorn beetle has 4 wings, whereby the outer pair are modified into a stiff protective shell and cover up the inner pair when the wings are not in use. 2 mouthparts are made up of 2 pairs of jaws, mandibles and maxillae, which are adapted for chewing, 3 pairs of legs, and a long pair of antennae. The giant longhorn beetle is considered common in the highlands of Viti and other areas where the forest is intact. Natives in remote villages continue to consume the larvae, which is considered a delicacy in many Fijian villages. A single larva takes 12 years to reach adulthood, and this is when it is most sought after as a delicacy. The harvest of the larvae means that fewer larvae reach adulthood, and therefore a decrease in the population. Many areas with lowland rainforests in which the longhorn beetles seem to live have been logged, and many big trees have been removed. The continuous logging and cutting of these trees, in addition to continued harvesting of the Fijian longhorn beetle, are a threat to the survival of this species. The next time you find yourself trekking through Fiji's rainforest and woodlands, be sure to keep an eye out for the Giant Fijian Long-horn Beetle. Social Plug Fiji. Click on the subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest videos.